Hi, my name is George and I am a Child Life volunteer, and today we will be making chocolate chip cookies. I've laid out all the ingredients here along with our handy mixing bowl, which is a pot for today, and then our scooper, and we'll be using this for mixing. To start with, we have this in here is our flour, vanilla extract, salt, and baking soda. So you're gonna want 2 1/4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then in here we have 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and then 2 cups of chocolate chips. So first we're going to mix our wet ingredients in the pot. So we'll start with our butter right there. Get our eggs in here, and then our sugar, and then we'll mix that up real quick. Okay, now that we're done mixing that, we're going to add our little mix of flour, salt, vanilla extract, and baking soda into here. So after you finish mixing in your flour and all of that, your batter should sort of look like this. You know, not too liquidy anymore, should be have a little more substance to it, a little more form. So now we're going to add our chocolate chips into there, and we'll mix that up. Then after we are done mixing that up, we're going to scoop into our pan, and then we are going to put it in the oven, which should be preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, now that we're done scooping those and we've got our oven preheated, we're going to put these in here for about 10 minutes or so. Just keep checking on them, make sure they don't get burned. And be careful, don't burn yourself putting them in the oven. Alright, so after those are done cooking, get your spatula, scoop them off, put them on a little plate, and there you go. Got some good looking cookies waiting for you.